Thank you. Wow, they're all beautiful ladies and gentlemen. I love food. I love everything about food. I love eating food. I love talking about food. And my favorite combination is eating something delicious with good friends, talking about what we're going to eat next. My love of food came from my relationship with my grandma Ann. She's a silver-haired beauty in the back there. We would visit her home on Friday evenings. The door would open and I would begin salivating. I actually think I'm salivating a little bit right now, thinking about her cooking. I would scurry down the hall and into the kitchen there was a table with Linzer torts and rugelach and pound cake. And on the stove was chicken soup simmering with matzo balls. And while Grandma was making the chopped liver, I would snatch a cookie off of that table every time. One day, I asked Grandma, I said, Grandma, what do you say about your cooking that is so delicious? Because when Mommy makes it, it's not as good. And she chuckled and put her hand on her hip and said, Bubala, what makes my food so good is two things. One, only the best ingredients for you and the family, darling. And two, whenever I'm cooking the dinner, I see everybody around the table enjoying every bite. I learned some great things from Grandma Ann. She helped me to see that life is like a big cookbook. And every day, you choose a different recipe. And depending on the quality of the ingredients and the clear vision of the recipe that you're going to create, impacts if you're going to have a delicious day or not. So it's all about choosing your ingredients wisely. So today, that's what we're going to get to do together. Today, you are going to create your recipe for flourishing leadership.